This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming both phones share the same Wi-Fi and have Bluetooth on. This makes device discovery reliable. Open the receiver phone's casting or mirroring app, and on the sender phone, start the cast feature. Tap the app's device list to locate the receiver. Grant screen capture and overlay permissions when prompted. These permissions allow the sender to stream video and audio. Once done, keep both phones unlocked and awake so the connection remains stable while you proceed. Now, on the sender, choose the receiver name and accept any pairing dialog. This handshake authenticates the stream. If the app offers quality settings, set resolution and bitrate based on your network, lower for weaker signals, higher for 5 GHz networks. Make sure the receiver allows input from the specific app. Some phones require you to enable receive cast mode first. Once streaming, monitor latency and, if needed, switch to a direct hotspot or wired adapter to improve stability and reduce lag. To finish, stop casting from the sender's quick settings or the receiver's app control. This cleanly terminates the session and releases resources. Afterward, disable any persistent permissions you granted for security and close the mirroring app on both phones. If the connection fails or drops, restart both devices. This clears network caches and resets Bluetooth. As a key troubleshooting tip, verify both phones are on the same Wi-Fi band and temporarily disable VPNs or battery savers, because those often block discovery or streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.